Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining me. I am Tamara Kukshinovich, and I'm going to take you through Vodafone's interim results. Revenue decreased by 2.3% due to the disposal of Vodafone Qatar and negative foreign exchange movements. Service revenue decreased by 0.1% and adjusted EBIT decreased by 23.5%. Adjusted earnings per share, which excludes impairment losses and the results of the discontinued operation of Vodafone India, decreased by 43.7% to 3.56 euro cents. This was caused by the adoption of IFRS 15, lower adjusted operating profit, and higher net financing costs, which offset the decrease in income tax expense. The group incurred a basic loss per share of 29 euro cents on the back of higher impairment charges, loss on the disposal of Vodafone India, higher net financing costs, and mark-to-market losses, amongst others. A stable dividend per share of 4.84 euro cents was declared. Operating free cash flow decreased as a result of lower adjusted EBITDA, lower capital additions, and higher working capital cash flows. Pre-spectrum free cash flow decreased due to the decrease in operating free cash flow. Net debt increased due to final dividend payments, spectrum purchases, and net cash outflow from the Vodafone Idea transaction. The weighted average cost of capital increased to 7.8% and the return on investor capital decreased to negative 1.3%. This resulted in an economic value added of negative 9.5%. This indicates that investments are not generating sufficient earnings to recover the cost of capital. Implications of Brexit are under review by the board. Depending on the agreement between the UK and EU, the group may directly incur additional costs. Brexit may result in a data frontier between the UK and EU, which will lead to moving technical facilities and result in a change in the network design. Another issue that may arise is the inability to access talent from the non-UK markets. This will result in the need for changing the operating model as controls and restrictions to employ talent from non-UK markets will tighten. Given that the share is not a Dow Jones Global Titans 50 constituent, the benchmark weighting of Vodafone is 0, and we recommend a neutral position in the counter. This translates in our portfolio guidance of 0%. If you would like to place a trade, please speak to your financial advisor or contact the dealing desk. A comprehensive company analysis report on Vodafone can be found on the PSG online trading platform. Before we end off, please take note of the following disclaimer. Thank you.